To make the yellow butterfly or the middle of your mandala, I'm going to show you how you mark it off on the colored paper and how you cut it out, and then also the shapes of your leaves. The shape of your leaves you can also mark and cut out. So first you take your colored paper, which is green and yellow. So you fold your yellow paper into half. It's easier. Your colored paper, like this, you fold it into half. Then you will see here, I've got a smaller paper. You've got the paper that's folded into half. So you mark it here. For the butterfly, you mark it, for instance, the back part and then the middle part of your butterfly and then the other part of it. Okay? So this is the parts of your butterfly. So when you cut it, it will be double the size and it will also fit in the middle. Both sides would be the same. So first I'm going to show you the butterfly part. Now with the butterfly part, I cut it out like this on the lines that I've marked out. It's half of the butterfly. Cut it out with scissors. Okay. Put it on the line. So when I open it, you will see it's got a similar pattern as the butterfly that I've got here. And I put this aside. Now I'm going to show you how I do the leaves. For the leaves, I will use my green paper and I will fold it into 4 pieces. So I'll fold it double and I'll fold it again so that you can make a few leaves at once and it doesn't take you so long. You turn it around and then we'll see the open ends are there. Then you can cut out your, you first mark off your leaves like this with your pencil. You draw it. Okay. So then afterwards you cut out your leaves. So you will take it, so 4 leaves will come out of 1 piece because I've folded so that there are more pieces. So cut it out like this. So you will see this. You can cut it in the middle like this again. So here's 1 leaf, another one, and there are 4. So now you go to the next leaf. You cut it out as well. Then you cut it in the middle. So you've got even, I think 8 leaves. And you do the next one. So cut on the line. And then cut it like this. Now you've got more leaves. So you cut all these leaves until you've cut out all of them. like this. It makes it much quicker than when you had to cut one leaf by itself. When you fold the paper like this, it goes much quicker. You can also cut it open like this already, and then you just cut it off like this. Here's another 4 leaves. Here's another 4 leaves. Okay, you don't need this paper, only the leaves, and another 4 leaves. So now you've basically got the colored paper for inside. You've got all the leaves here. Now you've got the colored paper that you're going to put onto your base. So you first got your butterfly. You're going to place the butterfly in the middle, the center, because that's the center. If you want, you can also still, if you're not happy with the shape, you can still work a little bit on it and maybe cut onto it. See that you fold the double again so that both sides are the same. And you can change the shape according to what you find that's better for you. So you can change it a little bit, and then you can place your butterfly onto the middle of your page, and then you can also the core of your butterfly, and then you can also kind of see where your leaves would be in the end. So now after this, you can draw the rest of your butterfly maybe with a pencil, so that you see that the black lines of this butterfly, for instance, this is done with the oil pastels, but you kind of just vaguely see that it will come like this. Your core will be there, then you can see your butterfly will come out, and it will be on here, and then you've got a kind of a shape like this, or shape like this. You can always erase again, and then it will come like this, and then the other side of your butterfly will come out like this, and it will come down like just past this, and then it will come out like this, a point, and go over, and this you will have a point there, and then you will have your 2 feelers here of your butterfly, and then you can make a point there for the butterfly, and it's going around, and here also your butterfly can go like this, the wings. And here also the wings can go like this. So with this, it's maybe a good thing you can always erase this again, and you can go over with the oil pastels on it. And then you can make your circle, kind of circle shape, or the shape that you want for the background, like you'll see the blue here. You can also draw with a pencil so that you know what it's going to look like already. So you can do it like this, just so that you know everything fits in. Okay, and if you feel that it's too big here, for instance, the background, or if it's a bit skew, whatever, you can always erase. That's a good thing about using the pencil, because you can make it a bit smaller if you want, like this. And this also, because, and then you just erase this part. So here you've got your middle part, or the core of your butterfly. So the next step would be to just see that there's no more pieces of eraser here. You can erase it. And the next step would be to color in with your oil pastels. First glue this down, and then you will go this side, and then you will color in the butterfly with your oil pastels.